Hello, how are you? My name is Yuli Amezquita. My hair is black and long and curly. I am white skinned and my eyes are brown. I love reading. I am a mom and live in Bogota. In Bosa, I am employed in the Group X. I am a very busy woman. I am work as operational assistant. I am the mother of a child. I am studying food energy in the UNAD in the virtual model. My family at the moment is Made Ux and my husband Andres and my son Francisco, and we like two girls. My son has 6 years old. My husband have 24 years old. My husband and my child white like her. My son eyes are blue and my husband are green. I like with my son and husband. I like to play with my son. My heel in practice soccer. My son is affection il Hillier fans and they like soccer. My husband works as environmental technique and travel for work. He is very smart. He likes to play games. Thank you. Goodbye.